Hey everybody, so today I have a real cool, real nice machine. Even though it's a little busted, it's a piece of our tech history. We love it. See the little Apple logo? Oh man. It's a little bit dirty, but it's okay. Oh, let's wipe this off actually. But actually it's broken too, if you see it, everything. Where's the battery? It's gone. Well this is out. The hinge is out. Anyway, so you're thinking, what is this? Well, it doesn't work anyway, but this is the Mac Powerbook 190CS. See there? Real cool machine. Unfortunately, it's not in here for repair. It's mainly in here just to get the data off. I actually tried looking for videos on just opening this. I didn't really see any videos to be opening this one. At least we can go ahead and take a look at it. It's just real cool. It's a real nice piece of tech. This is supposed to have a flap. I think this flap comes with it. Anyways, this thing is falling apart, but man, look at these ports. Look how cool that is. Look at this too. It says, what, ready for infrared upgrade. Is this for infrared? See that? Oh, it's so cool. You can see the ribbon cable sticking out. Anyways, totally dead. It's no power. We're just trying to get the data off. We want to open it, kind of just get drive. So we want to see what type of drive is in here. I think it's an IDE drive. I don't know if it's one of those older ones. We actually did have a video on the older MacBook Air. It was a ZIF drive, but this one's from 1990s, man. This one's almost as old as me. So we're going to go ahead and take a look. See that keyboard? Oh, it's so cool. We do have a zip drive here. And on the other side, man, it's a bit heavy too. Holding this. Okay, and if you know what this connection is, leave it in the comments below. I'd love to know if you guys know what this connection is. And we also do have the side here, which is the battery, which is empty. And it came like this, and I actually have the battery here. And it came like this. It's a little bit dangerous. I don't know why it's out like this, but the battery's out actually too. It's pretty nasty. This is how it came in. The straw was broken, and we're just here just to get data. I don't know why this is given to us. I guess we will make sure it's recycled. We see that's actually a little bit corroded here, a little bit damaged. Man, it looks like fireworks, man. We'll definitely make sure that this is going to be recycled appropriately, and we'll go from there. We also do e-recycling as well, so we will make sure it's recycled appropriately. So make sure I put this to the side, make sure it doesn't hurt anybody. And let's go ahead, open this up, and have some fun today. All right, it's a bit banged up, but it still looks pretty nice. We're gonna be working together on it. I assume it's like here somewhere, the hard drive. I'm not too sure. So it's pretty nice, pretty thick, chunky boy. There's a void warranty, so it looks like maybe it's been for repair before. So if they're opening this is where I'm gonna start, because I think that's a good indicator where to start, is where there is some type of warranty sticker from some other repair shop, I think. But we're not worried about, again, the repair here. We're worried about getting the data off. So aha, the keyboard came out. I see. Okay, so the keyboard actually did come out here. I don't know if this is supposed to go flat, but okay, so we're gonna take this out, and there's a keyboard connection. We need to make sure that these come up. There's one, and there's two. This came up. Okay. And I believe, is it under here? This is just kind of coming up. There's no screws in here. This looks like there's supposed to be screws here. I would assume there's supposed to be some type of screw there. Maybe this is just so busted and so destroyed that there isn't any. Oh, here's another cable. Let's see if I just kind of lift this up. Not sure how this goes. Oh, okay, gotta put your finger into it. This is a little latch, but maybe I can lift this up. Man, this is all coming apart, huh? I believe this looks like it's a RAM module, so it looks like. And it looks like it's pretty modular. This thing looks actually pretty cool. This is such a shame that maybe we can make a video on fixing it. Maybe we might do repair. I might want to offer repair because we need to take a look a little bit further on it. But right now we're worried about just getting data off. This part comes off pretty easily. Oh, there's a screw here. Same screw? Nice. One screw. And we gotta love all these Macs because these are Steve Jobs Macs. Right? Whoops. We gotta love these Macs because they are Steve Jobs Macs. So anything new is pretty cool. Anything newer is not his, but this stuff is. Okay, so I have this up. Let's see how it's gonna come. Is there a screw? Nope. Looks like feels like it's a bit tight. We just lifted over the time. Okay, there's another screw here. Okay, now I think this should just lift up. Yes, it does. And there's a connector cable here too. Look at this pretty cool machine. Apple Computer Inc. 500 megabytes. Man, that's a big drive. It's 500 megs. You can see that? Can you guys see it? 500 megs. Let's disconnect it. I don't know if I have a power connector for this thing. I'm sure I can find it. Okay, all I need to do is just remove it, and it should be good to go. There you go. I found it right away. There we go. Here's your nice drive. Apple Computer Inc. Internal HDD firmware 1995. Made in the United Kingdom. Made for IBM UK. This is made for IBM UK, guys. quality check sticker. They still use the same model numbers, right? 655-0259. That's kind of the part numbers they have. They usually start with 655. So even back then, still kept it to today. It does say IBM. This is an IBM drive. Pretty cool. Main drive here. This is where the ribbon cable connects. Nothing proprietary. It looks like a regular IDE. You have your jumper there. You have your PCB port. Look how cool that PCB board looks. Ooh, it's so cool. So now what we want to do is take up the connection and then try to connect it and see if we can see data, right? This you could usually just go up your finger, thumb. All right, just a basic IDE drive from here. All right, so let's go ahead, plug it in, or at least find an adapter. I have an adapter here. All right, so let's go ahead. I have my drive here. I could plug it into PC3000, but I don't really want to at this point because I don't want to just be plugging in any type of device to that until I really need to. Obviously, if we can't see the data, then we have a problem. So we definitely want to make sure that we do it properly. But this one is just IDE drive. We have a basic IDE to USB. Let's make sure we plug this in. We should plug in the right way, going just like that, and the end of it will be a USB connection. Right. So now I have my Mac over here, the innovative Mac that I have with one port. Right, the A1534. Man, I can't believe I'm using this, but that's why it's here. Whatever. I have a port, I have a dongle for it now too. But anyways, I'm going to be recording it, so let's go ahead, plug it in, and see if it's going to do anything. There we go. Now it does recognize it. It says IBM-DBOA. Okay, so we can see the drive. Looks pretty good. We can see all these old dates. Man, 1990s, early 2000s. A lot going on that year, huh? It's really small, though it's only about 500 megs, so we can just transfer it to a very, very small USB, and that's all we need to do. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please leave a like. It really does help us a lot. Subscribe for more content. If you want to see the repair of this video, definitely stay tuned. We might actually end up doing that. Subscribe for that, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care. Bye.